We showed you how to make changes to the automatic mode. Now I want to show you how to make changes to the parameters in manual mode. So in manual mode, if you go to menu, go to manual commands, this is going to be how you raise the carriage up and down manually. So I want to turn the carriage on, put it to up, and to engage it, I hold in the start button, the carriage will be going up. And if I want to go back down, put down, and hold it to make it go down. Then if I go back and I go to machine data, and then go to manual mode data, this is going to talk about the speed in manual mode. So the traction speed is how fast this moves around the warehouse when you're not wrapping. So if you're going a long ways around the warehouse and you want to get there faster, you want to increase the speed. We're at 85 right now. Carriage speed in manual mode is at 100%. And then if you happen to be taking this thing around the pallet manually to wrap it, which you really shouldn't ever, you could change the film tension to match whatever automatic mode that you had saved earlier. If you make any changes, make sure, again, hit save and upload.